Today, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-page setup in Aura. This is useful when you want to build your own personal site, a portfolio, or a product site where content cannot live on a single page. And if later you decide to sell this template, this structure also makes that possible. The goal here is not selling template, it's building something that scales properly. A multi-page setup helps you separate ideas. Instead of forcing everything into one long page, you give each concept its own space: a manifesto, a method, a journal, and about page. It's clearer for people reading and is easier for you to maintain. In Aura, this matters even more because the system remembers how your site behaves, style, color, typography, and animation are carried across page. So once the foundation is solid, everything else stays consistent. That's why I always take my time setting this up properly. Let's start with the most important part, the home page. Think of the home page as your design system, not just a page. Before creating new page, I always finish the header. The header is critical because it will be reused everywhere. Here, I link each navigation item to a page road. Even if the page doesn't exist yet, I already know the structure. I usually define pages like manifesto, method, journal. Once the header is clean, I don't touch it again. Now let's create a new page. First, I make sure I'm in page mode. You can find it on the top left. Once I'm there, I click Create Page. I name the page, for example, Manifesto, and then I submit it. That's it. I keep the page transition setting exactly the same. Aura already know the style, the animation, the color, and the structure from the home page. Once the page is created, Aura automatically bring me to the new page. At this point, the page already feels correct. All I do is write a simple prompt, something like adapt this page into a manifesto page, add structured content and detail, keep the same header and footer. That's usually enough. Because the system is already strong, the page doesn't need much adjustment. There you go. Most of the time, I don't need to change much, but if I want, I can. Tweak spacing, refine text hierarchy, adjust section density. This is optional. The important part is that I'm not redesigning everything, I'm refining. For now, it looks basic, but you can always modify until you like it. This is just an example to show you. So I repeat the exact same process for other page. Switch to page mode, create page, name it, submit, prompt the adaptation, method, journal, about. Same flow every time. So if you're happy with all your page, now let's preview it. So let's go back to the home page and then let's test all the page. So if I click on manifesto, it will bring to his page, to the next page. All right. And then the next page. Cool. Everything seems working. So that's my workflow. Create page first, keep transition and style consistent, use simple prompt to adapt each page. Aura remember the system so you don't have to rebuild it. In the next video, I will cover CMS and how to plug it into this structure. See you.